Capturing every angle of your adventure just got easier with 360 vlog cameras. These all-seeing devices are perfect for creators who want to immerse their audience in the full experience, front, back, and everything in between. Whether you're traveling, biking, or documenting daily life, 360 cameras let you shoot stunning panoramic video without the need for complex setups. They offer impressive stabilization, 5.7K or higher resolution, and user-friendly editing tools that simplify the post-production process. Some even support live streaming, making it easy to share the moment in real time. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 5 best 360 vlog cameras that bring your stories to life with immersive detail, portability, and smart features made for modern creators. Number 1. Insta360 1X2 360 Vlog Camera. The Insta360 X5 is a powerful 360-degree action camera that captures stunning 5.7K video, delivering immersive footage from every angle. Waterproof up to 10 meters, it's built for adventure, perfect for underwater shoots, sports, and outdoor exploration. Its advanced flow-state stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free video without the need for a gimbal. The intuitive touchscreen allows easy preview and control, while AI editing automatically creates cinematic content with just a few taps. With features like voice control, live streaming, and webcam mode, the X5 goes beyond typical action cams. Whether you're recording high-energy action or sharing in real time, this camera offers unmatched versatility in a compact design. Capture everything, everywhere, no moment missed with the Insta360 X5. Number 2. PANOX 360 Vlog Camera. The PANOX Vi2 360 vlog camera is built for creators who want stunning quality and fast, flexible sharing options. It features dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors that capture ultra-detailed 5.7K 360-degree video and incredibly sharp 72-megapixel 360 photos. Whether you're vlogging or live streaming, this camera ensures clear, vibrant results. The large 3.0-inch touchscreen makes it easy to control, preview, and navigate your shots, even on the go. With in-camera one-click quick share, posting to social platforms is instant and effortless. It also supports 4K live streaming across multiple platforms, letting you broadcast in high resolution with ease. The included protector adds durability, making it ready for any adventure. With pro-grade performance and portability, the PANOX i2 is a powerful tool for next-level content creation. Number 3. Insta360 Go2 360 Vlog Camera. The Insta360 Go2 is a tiny but powerful action camera that weighs just 1 ounce, making it perfect for travel, sports, and everyday vlogging. Despite its small size, it packs a 1/2 3-inch sensor that captures sharp, stabilized footage in stunning detail. Ideal for hands-free POV shots, the Go2 easily clips onto clothing or mounts with included wearable accessories. It's waterproof, so you can confidently take it in the rain or underwater for up to 13 feet. The included charge case acts as a remote, tripod, and charger all in one, offering up to 150 minutes of shooting time. Whether you're documenting a hike, vacation, or daily routine, the Insta360 Go2 delivers smooth, cinematic content from a unique, ultra-portable camera. Number 4. Insta360 X5 360 Vlog Camera. The Insta360 X3 is a feature-packed 360 action camera built for immersive storytelling and high-performance capture. Equipped with dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it delivers breathtaking 5.7K 360 active HDR video and incredibly detailed 72-megapixel 360 photos. Whether you're shooting all-around footage or switching to 4K single-lens mode, the X3 adapts to your creative needs. The 60 FPS Me mode keeps the focus locked on you, ideal for dynamic vlogs and action shots. Flow state stabilization ensures ultra-smooth video, even in the most rugged conditions. Waterproof up to 33 feet and featuring a large 2.29-inch touchscreen, it's made for outdoor adventures. With AI-powered editing, voice control, and live streaming, the Insta360 X3 is your all-in-one tool for next-level content creation. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 360 Vlog Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Creator Edition is a complete content creation kit designed for serious vloggers and adventurers. It includes the Hero 13 Black camera, which captures stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and 27 megapixel photos with next-gen stabilization. The bundle features the Volta grip, acting as a battery grip, tripod, and remote for versatile shooting angles and extended power. The Media mod adds a directional mic, HDMI port, and cold shoe mounts, while the Light mod ensures bright, adjustable lighting for any scene. With the Enduro battery for improved cold weather performance, a magnetic latch mount for quick setup, and a convenient carrying case, this kit is perfect for creators on the move. Capture, connect, and share with powerful tools in one package.